Good morning, Marlon Abila. What can you say to our race for today, the last stage of Litor di Western Pangasinan? Parting words on this last stage.
Masaya, sir, mahirap. Masaya.
So, we are planning to have the race again on 2024. Are you joining?
Yes, sir.
You joining the race again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Basta kunin pa ako ng team. Tuloy, sir.
sige, okay. So, palagay mo ngayon, pang ilang ka sa 60 above overall category? Third? It's okay.
Okay, sir. Masaya.
Masaya? Okay. So, see you then on 2024. Litor di Western Pangasinan. So, we'll be working again how to improve our team, the Western Pangasinan team, na mapasaya ulit ang mga kasaling team. Sana makakuha pa tayo ng mga guest. Madagdagan pa. Yung 60 na participants. Ang nangyari, 20 na lang naiwan. Sige sir, maraming salamat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.